Hello, language learners. Welcome to day 3 of the 5-day English Shadowing Challenge. You are doing great. You already practiced 50 common sentences. Today, we continue your training. The method is simple. Listen carefully. Then repeat each sentence out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the stress. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Do not just listen. Speak with me. Shadowing trains your speaking muscles. It builds muscle memory. This helps your English sound more natural. Today, we will practice 25 more sentences that are very common in movies and everyday conversations. Ready? Let's begin. We don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. I need your help. I need your help. I need your help. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. I can't do this alone. You owe me. You owe me. You owe me. I'll handle it. I'll handle it. I'll handle it. You have my word. You have my word. You have my word. I promise. I promise. I promise. Like, subscribe, and keep improving your English. Like, subscribe, and keep improving your English. Like, subscribe, and keep improving your English. I swear. I swear. I swear. This is your fault. This is your fault. This is your fault. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. You're lying. You're lying. You're lying. Prove it. Prove it. Prove it. Show me. Show me. Show me. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off. Give me a break. Give me a break. Give me a break. Are you with me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What happened? What happened? What happened? That's impossible. That's impossible. That's impossible. This can't be happening. This can't be happening. This can't be happening. Great job. You finished day 3 of the 5-day English shadowing challenge. You practiced 25 more sentences today. If you repeated them out loud, your speaking muscles are getting stronger. Repetition builds fluency. Feel free to play this video again and practice once more. Tomorrow we continue the challenge with 25 new sentences. Keep going. Stay consistent. I will see you in day 4.